Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me to do more things. I've got a lot of video coming up here. We're going to be doing a sound system in the Mercedes-Benz. I've got a camera installation, actual security camera inside the garage connected to the QNAP. I'm going to be working on, I've got a couple of new products that I purchased. One of them might be in this box. I don't know which one this is. I ordered a couple things from Obsessed Garage, so I'm going to have a couple things coming here that I get to try out and play around with. So yeah, today I'm just going to open this box, talk about what we got. Okay, so this is not what I thought it was, but okay. So I ordered Dr. Beasley's metal coat, which is supposed to be for exhausts, like exhaust tips or other metal products that you want to not get tarnished or beat up. I ordered a set of the Crevice brushes. So I got a large, small, and Crevice detail factory brushes, which I already have. I have brushes from, I think they're like Viking or something like that. They're like an off-brand that I've had for quite a while, and they work well. I like to keep new ones for the interior and then use the old ones, you know, for things like gross, dirty things, engine bays, you know, stuff like that. So, this is a Pressol label. I have a label that I messed up on a bottle, so I just ordered a replacement of that one label. Claw pad tool, Rufus claw pad tool. So this looked interesting. This is a cleaning tool for the pads, for the polishing pads. You run the machine and then you just kind of use this to clean the pads. And then this is, it's like a flat scraper that's used to apply polish to the pads. So it just looked interesting. I figured I'd try it out since I got a Rufus polisher the other day. What else do I have in here? Two more things. All right. Koch-Chemie RKB. So this is their clay bar. So I'm gonna try that out. I've used Chemical Guys clay bar before, but they're super hard. I don't think they're supposed to be. So I just thought it'd be something different to try out and see how it works. I also have an auto scrub sponge that I've been trying out recently, and I like that. I think I'm going to do a series on correcting the Mercedes. And then I ordered some McKee's 37 or McKee's N914 Rinseless Wash. So this is like a waterless or a rinseless car wash. I've used the Chemical Guys stuff in the past. I only have a little bit of it left, so I thought it was a good time to try something new. I've heard this smells good and it works well, so we'll get to try it out. It does smell good. So there's different mixing ratios: rinseless wash, waterless wash, clay lube, paint prep. All right. So to use this as a waterless car wash, you mix it 1 to 128. So in a gallon of water, you put 1 ounce of this. So a 32-ounce bottle should be able to make 32 gallons of waterless car wash, which should last me just about forever. You can also use it as a clay lube at that mix, or you can do a rinseless car wash at 1 to 256. So half of an ounce to a gallon. So pretty cool. We'll try it out, see how it is. All right, we got another package. I haven't edited the other video yet, so I'm just going to attach this to it. So I went back and forth on this purchase. I asked a bunch of people in the Facebook group, and what I was looking for was the a good cordless 3-inch polisher to buy. So I ended up getting the Flex PXE80, which I was looking at originally when I bought the Nano, but I bought the Nano instead because the Nano is a better 1-inch polisher, but this is going to be my cordless 3-inch. So inside the box, so big box inside another box, decent packaging, it's great. So there's we have a Flex bag, which is pretty nice, not too bad. There's a couple pouches inside, some dividers, like so you can kind of divide up your tools. So there's a pouch for like pads and then another pouch for a couple batteries or something like that. We have some instruction manuals here. And then inside the box, we have a charger. This is the 12 volt / 18 volt charger. It works on both. So if you have multiple flex tools that use different power pack sizes, you can use it for both. Here's the actual flex polisher itself, which is nice, balanced, lightweight. A little front heavy, but I don't have the battery on it. So the batteries have these little doors on them, which is pretty cool. Slides in there nice. It's like perfectly balanced in the middle, so that's pretty nice. Cool. All right, so let's go through the rest of the accessories and see what else they include in the box. So we've got the polisher itself. There's 1 battery, 2 batteries. Those 2 guys, that, this, and this, and that. All right. Put the box out of the way. Unpack the rest of this stuff. 1, 2, 3. So what do we get? Charger, 2 battery packs with covers, and then we get 3 different attachments. So this is a rotary attachment, and this is like a quick connect system. So you see, if you pull this back, it unlocks. Okay, locks in. Sweet. That's pretty cool. So it's got like these nubs all the way around it that this grabs onto with the ball bearings, and just kind of goes in, locks into place. So then we've got 2 different random orbit adapters. This is a small orbit, and this is a larger orbit. I forget what the numbers are. All right, so the first one is rotary. Like I said, this guy here, rotary. This one is a random orbit with a 3mm stroke for polishing and sanding. Can be combined with all backing plates. This is a 12mm stroke. Can be combined with all backing plates. The rotary one you're only supposed to use with a small backing plate, the 1-inch. I think it's a 75mm. I don't know what the exact inches are, but it's the same as the Rupes Nano. So I bought this specifically to be a 3-inch. So I'll be using it with this backing plate, which is a 3-inch, with a 12mm throw, and that's it. So it does have other backing plates. I do have some other options with it. Honestly, I don't expect to be leveraging them very often, but I think it'll be a great 3-inch as opposed to my corded 3-inch, which just gets annoying. It's annoying to pull the cord around all the time. It's annoying to swap back and forth between that and the 5-inch. So I wanted to try some cordless stuff, and Flex makes a good cordless polisher. What's interesting about this is this trigger is like 2-stage. So when you pull this forward, it's to apply polish. So it moves at kind of a slow rate, but you have to hold it while you're doing it. And then when you actually want to use it, you push this in all the way forward and down, and then it locks and it's on. There's adjustable speeds. But it's pretty sweet. So grab a 3-inch pad for it. Here's our Rupes yellow pad. It looks like it's I mean it's lightweight, it's easy to hold. You can do it with one hand fairly easily. Seems pretty nice. So I'm pretty excited about this. So I'm gonna do a video coming up shortly where I'm gonna play with this and the Nano. I'm gonna use this primarily as a 3-inch. I'll use that primarily as a 1-inch. I will try the 1-inch on the Flex just so that I can provide some feedback on that, how it compares to the Rupes Nano. But it seems like a really good option for a 3-inch, and I'm gonna likely take my Max Shine 3-inch polisher and I'll put that up on the marketplace or on eBay or something along those lines to get rid of it, because from what I understand with these, and I mean, first impression seems like a great product, but the battery life of these is supposed to be better than the charge time. So in theory, with 2 batteries on a 3-inch, you could use it almost the entire day and just swap batteries when they go dead. Now that might get annoying if you were using it all day, but it would probably not still be as annoying as a cord. And they make bigger battery packs. This is a 2.5 Ah. I think that they make a 5 as well, which is double the capacity. But the 2.5 is supposed to be good enough for most people. And then there's it shows you here what the speeds are. So speed 1 is the 2,000 RPM. There's 3,000, 4,000, and 5,800 is the highest speed. So looking at the videos and the YouTube reviews and stuff like that, it seems like most people are using it on the highest speed setting most of the time, except when they're spreading, which they're using this for. So I'm going to get this charger in my cabinet. I'm going to get the batteries on the charger, and I didn't think that I would use this bag, but I might actually use this bag because it doesn't come with a hard case or anything like that. And I've got all these accessories and stuff, so I'll probably just keep it in the bag when I'm not using it, and that'll keep it nice and clean. And if you were a mobile guy and you needed something to put stuff in, like, I've got a cabinet full of Milwaukee tools, and those Milwaukee tools each came with a case. So up in my attic, I've got 15 Milwaukee tool cases. And I also have probably 14 chargers and 14 batteries. All of the batteries end up in my cabinet, but I only need one charger, one dual rapid charge charger, and I can charge whatever I need to. So I'll put this over there with that stuff. I'll rearrange some of my Milwaukee tools to make some room, and have my batteries in here where my Rupes is and my all my Milwaukee stuff is. So yeah, it seems pretty cool. Pretty excited about it, and that's interesting. These are really close. Anyway, the Flex product at first glance seems pretty cool. I did notice, I was at Lowe's this weekend, and I noticed that Lowe's now has Flex tools for sale, and there was a comparison between Flex and Milwaukee that was set up. And truthfully, I don't think that any tool brand really compares to Milwaukee. And I mean, there are other high quality brands out there, don't get me wrong, like DeWalt makes good stuff, Bosch makes good stuff, the Rigid line is pretty decent, and there's like some of these house brands like Cobalt are coming a long way, and there are things that I kind of like about each of them, like this Rigid sander, for example. Or actually, this doesn't have it, but my Rigid laminate trim router has it has an icon on the cord that shows what it is. So when you've got 3 or 4 cords plugged into a power strip, you can say, oh, this is the router. It's got the picture on it. It's kind of neat. There's just some quirky things. But nobody really has the tool selection that Milwaukee does. So like when you're trying to buy tools and build a battery collection and like not have to maintain a bunch of different batteries, nobody really can touch Milwaukee in terms of the amount of tools and the variations that they have. And some of these things, like this guy, I've had this since I was 18 years old, and I'm 33, so 15 years I've been using this And I mean, it's beat. There's marks all over it. It's really, really beat. And it, you know, at some point I'll get a new one. I'll replace it with a fuel surge brushless guy, which will outperform it, I'm sure. But you know, that was an original tool. I had an original 18 volt as well, which I swapped out to the fuel, and the fuel is better. And really, I didn't need it. I got a good deal on it, so I grabbed it, and I gave the other one to my kid. So, you know, as time goes on, I'm going to kind of continue to upgrade the Milwaukee tools and stuff. But I've been very, very happy with them. I have the circular saw, I have the Sawzall, I have, you know, a bunch of other stuff, and they've all been really, really good. So I don't expect that, you know, to switch brands or anything like that anytime soon. And you know, for somebody starting out in buying their tools, I would highly recommend Milwaukee. I think that Milwaukee builds a great product line. I think that they have really, really good battery technology, and I think that I will say that one thing I'm not really sure about is their warranty. Like, I'm not sure that matters, but I've never had their opportunity to use their warranty. The warranty, I'm sure, is good. I think it's 3 years on everything that they sell, but I've never had anything break, so I've never actually submitted a warranty claim to see how they are at dealing with it and, you know, going through that process. So I don't know if that's really a knock on them, like the fact that I don't know how good the warranty is, but I would say that's probably a benefit. So we have our Flex charger plugged in. We have our Flex batteries. It says OK on the charger. Plug it in. And now the charger's actually pretty cool. Lithium ion. Shows like a battery level indicator as it's charging. It's pretty neat. 34, oh wow, there's a timer on it. That's pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie. That is really cool. That shows you how much time is remaining to charge. The Rupes charger and the Milwaukee charger both don't do that. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.